guys, welcome to Easy Bakes with Liamwai. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and in case it's your first time here, welcome. And my name is Liamwai, and on this channel I get to share easy home baking recipes as well as my baking escapades. Yes, so as you've seen from the title, I'm going to be showing you how you can make these simple orange cupcakes at home. The recipe I'm going to be sharing with you will yield about 12 cupcakes. Yes, so I hope that you stay along and that you get to try them at home, and let me know of the feedback through my social media platforms. I'm going to be tagging them on the screen, and also you can leave a comment on this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. So here are a sample, and this is how they look. So tag along and get to try them at home. So let's roll to the video.